Hey, this is Brian for DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Today we're doing a short video for SpeedCoat. DuraSlic SpeedCoat is one of the best water-based ceramic coatings on the market. It's super easy to use, gives a killer gloss, will hide scratches, and gives up to 4 months protection. So the car we're using has already been washed, decon, and clayed to remove all the contaminants off the surface of the paint. The paint has also been corrected, so now we can go ahead and start laying down the coating. DuraSlic SpeedCoat. Gonna apply it to the towel. Light mist on the panel. Go ahead and knock it down. Give it a chance to start separating. You're gonna see it start to separate out. It's a water base, so it's gonna start evaporating away a little bit. We don't want it to get too far, because then we're gonna have to try to work that off. So we just want it to be right before it's all gone. So you can see it opening up right here. We got a little bit right here, a little bit right here. So we'll give it about another 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it clean. Look at that. There you go. So why DuraSlic? Well, we've been doing coatings for over 20 years now in the electronics industry, and we've taken that technology and moved into the automotive industry. So we listen to our customers, and their feedback is super important in developing coatings or improving our existing coatings. We can make these changes on the fly because we actually make the coating, we employ the chemist, and we have it right here in America, so we can do it quickly. With DuraSlic, you're getting more than just a coating. We have really good customer service. In our test process, we're top in the industry. We're super hydrophobic. We have oleophobicity, which most coatings don't supply. Most of all, we're made here in America. Once again, I'm Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.